How to make the custom quotation template for Zoho Books. Need a branded quotation template in Zoho Books? Let's create one step by step. So from your Zoho Books dashboard, go ahead and head over to settings. And then on settings, go ahead and look for templates. From here, go ahead and select estimates or quotation. Zoho offers default layouts. Pick one to edit or start fresh with a new template. So add your logo, company details, and choose which fields to display like item description, quantity, rate, tax, or discounts. Match your brand identity by uploading a logo, adjusting colors, fonts, and even adding a watermark or background image. Use dynamic fields like customer name or estimate numbers so your template autofills data each time. Preview your design with sample data, and when satisfied, save it and set it as default for all quotations. And that is how you create a custom quotation template in Zoho Books.